Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chilaquiles, which is just corn tortillas that are fried and made into chips. But to keep it simple, I'm just going to use pre-made corn tortilla chips. Then you cover them in sauce, and I'm going to cook them in my toaster oven with some beans and eggs. So let's get toasting. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so that's what I'm using for this. I put a handful of corn tortilla chips in there and a few black beans that were pre-cooked. I cooked those in my Instant Pot. I actually did a video with that, so if anybody's interested how I did that, you can I can post a link to the video for that. Now I'm going to put some green chili enchilada sauce. This is a hatched green chili. I like this. But you can use like red enchilada sauce, or I've used salsa quite a few times for this. So whatever kind of sauce you like. Okay, we'll just get some of that on there like that. And then I'm going to crack a couple of eggs in here. So I put a little bit of oil in the pan so the eggs won't stick, hopefully. There we are. I'm also putting a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese on top. And I'll get this into my toaster oven. And I'm going to use the air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. But if your oven doesn't have air fry, just use the bake setting. I just pulled that out of the oven. It only took 7 or 8 minutes. Let me see if I can find anything else to dress it up a little bit more. That looks a little bit prettier. A little bit of red salsa, sour cream, and cilantro on there. Give it a little bit more color. See how this is. See, these chips get nice and soft. They kind of soak up that sauce. See how the egg yolks are. They're nice and round. That's real good. My girlfriend Linda and I had that for lunch in a restaurant on our first date. I'm not sure what Annie will think about this, but I'll give her one of these soft chips with sauce on it. A little bit of sauce. See what she thinks. There you go, Annie. Well, she ate it. I don't know if she was thrilled about it, but she ate it. First time I ever had that was in a restaurant, but it turns out pretty darn good in the toaster oven. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.